Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicles and this is Pavan Kumar. Currently I am here at Hyderabad and in this video we will be discussing about solar energy and its uses. Now I am here at Mr. Ramarau's house and he is using solar energy since from 1 month and we will be discussing about the uses of solar energy and his experience. So before going to dive in, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload the videos. Let's go. Now Mr. Ramarauji is with us. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, fine, thank you.
Okay, could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
I was an electrical engineer in merchant shipping,
Okay,
worked for Hong Kong based company.
okay.
I've retired about 10 years ago.
Oh,
Now I am a free bird.
okay, that's good. Okay, just tell me what motivated you to take these solar panels to use solar energy?
I find electricity board is giving little bit trouble sometimes
Okay,
with the bills and other variations.
okay. So,
So I find myself this will be more better than depending upon electricity board.
right. And I found that you are using Lume solar energy product, right?
Yes.
So what's your experience about that?
This is very convenient and economical.
Okay. Okay, how many kilowatt hours of
This is
solar
5
energy
kilowatts.
is using? 5 kilowatt hours.
My house power is also 5 kilowatt.
Okay.
Power.
Generally, for one family, 3 kilowatt hours of energy is more than enough, right? Then why did you go for 5 kilowatt
I
hours?
cannot go less than what I have been allotted from the electricity board.
Okay.
So I was allotted 5 kilowatt to my house consumption.
Okay.
So I went for 5 kilowatts.
Right. Okay. And you have also water plant is also there, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
you are you using this energy for
No,
to run
no,
that?
this is exclusively to the domestic purpose of my house,
Right.
residential house.
Okay. So in your house, what kind of appliances are there?
I have got all normal appliances like fridge, 4 ACs,
Okay.
geyser,
Hmm.
and that microwave oven,
Okay.
etc., etc.
Okay. So before using these solar panels, how much amount of bill you used to get for month?
I was paying about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees a month.
Okay. Now how much you are getting?
Now I am paying 275 rupees to 300 rupees.
Okay.
And the remaining is going to the grid after consumption of my house consumes, and then it is going to grid,
Okay. So that means it's on grid.
on grid.
Right, okay. And most of the people think that solar, setting a solar panels, solar energy is most costly. So how much you have spent to get this?
3,50,000 I invested.
3,50,000 rupees for 5 kilowatt hours. That means for 3 kilowatt hours, it might be less, like 2 to 3
Yeah,
lakhs in between that.
It must be less.
Okay. And normally we used to get subsidy for solar energy appliances, right? So do you got any kind of
This is the latest
subsidy?
model.
Okay.
So they don't give any subsidy to this particular model.
Okay.
Monopark. This is
Okay,
called monopark.
monocrystalline. Right.
So they won't give any subsidy to this system.
Okay.
There are few systems where you get the subsidy also from the government.
Right. Okay.
But what I came to know that the power is generated is less and time taking.
Yes.
That's why I went for this model and I got no
So this
subsidy.
is the top end one.
Right, no top end one.
Right. Okay. And what kind of services company is offering for you?
If any problem is there, they will come and attend to that. For the inverter and other things, it is 5 years warranty and 7 years, 7 years warranty.
Okay. 7 years of warranty they are giving.
Warranty, and then for panels it is 25 years warranty.
Okay. Then what about after 25 years of time?
Maybe we have to change.
Okay.
25 years I don't know about myself.
Oh,
So I cannot tell now.
okay. And coming to this solar energy, we have also wind energy and also hydro energy kind of things also there. So what do you think about solar energy? Do you think really it's the best one?
Wind energy is depending upon the wind. Sometimes you will not be having enough wind to run that generators,
Turbines.
turbines.
Yeah.
But now this one is depending totally upon the sunlight.
Right. Okay.
So you don't need to put any fuel into this.
Right. Yeah.
Sunlight is the fuel.
Yeah.
And sometimes the cloudy day also you will get some power generated.
Right. Okay. You said cloudy days, right? So how much amount of sunlight is required to generate power from the solar panels? Like 24 degrees of centigrade kind of.
Up to 19 degrees I was getting
Okay.
power.
Right. In 365 days, we won't get sun for every day, right? So what about in
It
that
will be
day?
balanced when you are having some cloudy days and some normal sunny
Normal
days.
days.
So overall, in a year, it will be balanced.
Right. Okay. And
Still, you are in plus side than the electricity board billing.
okay. Still, we can be in plus side only. Right. Okay. And most of the solar companies are offering app-based connectivity so that we can monitor the statistics of the solar energy.
This
Right? Do we have any kind of option?
Loom
for
Solar
this?
is also providing app-based, and it is there in my phone.
Okay.
So each and every minute, I can see what is the production going on.
Okay.
When I went to Chennai, also I was getting this reading from Hyderabad.
Right. Okay.
So that is the benefit out of it.
Okay. And do we have any kind of options like if we get any kind of issues here, do we get any notification in app
I
connectivity?
will be getting in that app itself.
Okay. And what kind of features are there in the app connectivity?
Daily wise and then temperatures, monthly wise, yearly wise, we can see the production in it.
Okay. And you said the 7 years of warranty they are giving for these solar panels, right? And do we have any kind of options like extended warranty for that after paying some amount of money?
Right now, right now I am not thinking of going for extension.
Okay.
Better if there is a problematic system, so every now and then we have to call the technician.
Right.
Instead of that, if you can afford, go for a better one.
Yes, you are right. And also cleaning these solar panels is very difficult, right? So how you are managing that?
No, it's not difficult. You see, the water connection is there.
Okay.
Just pour water on it.
Okay. If you pour water, don't you get any kind of shock?
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen. So it's totally completely free. I mean, no problem.
Trouble
will happen.
free.
Trouble free.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, don't you think really it's a costliest one because most of the middle class people are unable to afford this much of money, right? 3.5 lakhs means it's a big amount to them, right? So what do you suggest for that?
See, I will take it this way. When we are constructing a house, we go for a decorations and shelves and all this. Those are all assets.
Okay.
I feel this one also an asset which is helpful to me.
Yeah.
So I don't think this one as a business.
Okay.
This is one of the assets which are fixed on the building for the house purpose.
Right.
So I don't go for commercial way.
Right. Okay. And what kind of permission do we need to get from
We
government
have to take
install
permission from the electricity board before starting our operations, installation and all this process.
this? Okay. And
Once they say the grid is available, then only we can go for installation. Otherwise,
then
we can-
only we can proceed with that. Right. Okay. And is it really hard to get that permissions and kind of stuff?
No, in
It's
fact,
very hectic.
In fact, I took this contract from the Loom Solar people itself.
Okay.
So each and every work they were carrying out for me on behalf of me,
Okay.
and I made a contract with them for so much of amount.
Right.
So remaining work was taken care by them,
Okay. So that means it's burden free.
burden free.
Okay. And coming to Loom Solar Energies, so on a rate of 10, how many stars will you give them?
I will give 9
9. Okay. May I know why it lost 1 star?
because it was little time taking initially when I was calling them,
Okay.
but once they start the job, they were working for it
Okay.
till finishing.
Okay.
So that's why I put minus.
Right. Okay. So to whom do you want to suggest this solar energy?
Anyone can go for it, even for a commercial purpose or domestic purpose, low power people and high power consumption people.
Right. Okay. Do you have any thoughts of expanding the solar energy to your water plant?
I am planning, but right now no, because I have to go for a budget.
Right. Okay. So budget constraints.
Otherwise, I will go for it.
Okay.
Even to the business, commercial place also.
And do we have any kind of EMI options for this to purchase this one?
I think they have.
They have.
I am
but-
not sure about it, but I took it on right purchase.
Okay. And do we get loans for this? Like in order to purchase this one?
Yeah,
From
sometimes.
banks?
Banks also will support.
Okay. So most of the work will be done by only the company only. Like Loom's one.
That is what you have to go for while going for contract. You have to discuss all these things with them, and they will provide whatever they can. They will explain to you, and you go for it.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time and information.
Thanks.
And that's all for now, guys. Mr. Ramarao ji is saying that you can go for solar energy and everyone can go for solar energy, and but you should need to think about the company you are choosing. So just think wisely before going to choose the company, because the company will play a crucial role while doing all these things stuff, and also servicing, coming to servicing part also. So that's what he's saying, that's his experience, and that's all about this solar energy. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family members. For more such videos on electric vehicles and solar energy, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload the videos. Go green,
Go electric.